Welcome to our tutorial on Android app development. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of creating a simple Android app. First things first, you'll need to download and install Android Studio. This is Google's official integrated development environment for developing Android apps. Once you have it installed, you can start creating your own Android apps. To get started with your first Android app, select Start a new Android Studio project and then select Empty Activity. This creates a new project with a blank activity, which is the starting point for your app. Next, we'll add a user interface to our app. In Android, user interfaces are created using XML files. You can locate the XML file for the activity in the Raise folder. Double-click on Activity Main. Small to open it. In this XML file, you can use different views and widgets to create your user interface. For our simple app, here's the code for that. Now that our user interface is set up, the next step is to add some functionality to our app. In Android, this is done using Java code. You can find the Java code for the activity in the Java folder. Double-click on the main activity, Java file to open it. In this file, you'll see that there's a method called onCreate. We'll add some code to change the text of the text view we created earlier. Here's the code for that. That's it. You've now created a simple Android app. You can run it on an emulator or on a real Android device. Just click on the Run button in Android Studio and select your device or emulator. Congratulations on your first Android app. Thanks for watching and happy coding!